up, YouTube? What is poppin'? It's your girl Angel Sky, and I'm coming at you with another banger video. And in this video, I am going to be getting my nails done, getting my lashes done, and my hair done for Mardi Gras. So I'm going to the Zulu Ball on Friday. It's currently Wednesday. I have to be up and took my appointment at 8 a.m. because all the girls took all the appointments. So I waited to the last minute because I didn't know what kind of nails I wanted, and I still don't. So hopefully she has some ideas once I show her my hair and my dress and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and then tomorrow, right after I get out of class, I'm going to be going to get my lashes done, and then later on Thursday night, that's when I'm going to be doing my hair, and I'm going to show you guys the final result. So y'all going to see all my maintenance for me getting ready for Mardi Gras / the Zulu Ball. And the Zulu Ball, me getting ready for that is also going to be a separate video. So yeah, guys, come with me to get my nails done, because my nails they look a mess right now. So yeah, I'm really not a morning person, so I got to go ahead and get going. I'm going to a new girl. Yeah, I'm going to a new girl. She's still in like the same suite that my last nail tech was at, but she was all booked up, and the girl actually does good work too. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a try, but it just means I have to be here super early, and I'm not a morning person. Hopefully she there on time, because I don't got time for that. Alright, y'all, I'll see y'all at my nail appointment once I pull up and I get there. Alright, y'all, I am here with 5 minutes to spare. I just been sitting in the car listening to music. Now it's time to go try to find this girl Sweet. This is the only thing I don't like about these little texts. Like, it's so hard to find them. She did not even text me. Like, this shit's so annoying. Like, they can at least text just in case you have questions, like, of where they are. Like, she said, building 13, suite 36. So let's try to find it, I guess. There's some cars outside, so she should be here. But no text is crazy. My last girl, she texts people when the appointment is. Because I believe you are a rainbow. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I find it. This girl is late. It is 8:03. What the hell? I don't know what's going on with my phone. But yeah, she's late. She said she'll be here 5 minutes, but I don't know. These lash techs, these nail techs, these hairstylists, I don't know how y'all deal with them. I couldn't deal with no hairstylist because I don't play by my hair. And my lash tech, she be canceling sometimes. It's just like, yeah, I'm listening to some gospel music to calm me down. Yeah. See you guys whenever she does get here, though. Yeah, she here. She came. 8:06. So yeah, that's not too bad, I guess. But yeah, let me go up here. I am done with my nails. I just went classy nail French tips, white toes for them, because I feel like I'm gonna be doing too much while my dress is and how my hair is gonna be. So I just went classy for the nails because it'll work for Mardi Gras and it'll also work for Valentine's Day. So cute. Like the shape that she did is really cute. You really can't tell. But yeah, y'all, and it was really cheap. It was only $55 running. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow around, what time is my appointment for? My appointment is for 10 a.m. So I'm gonna go to my 8 a.m. class and then go right after that. And then tomorrow night I'm doing my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna look so cute. I can't wait to show you guys what I look like. See you guys tomorrow when I get my lashes done. My lash tech ain't did my lashes in a long time, and she eats every freaking time. So, alright, YouTube, it is the next day, and I'm about to go get my lashes done. I got this hat on because my wig is off completely because I'm about to do my hair tonight. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all her shop on the inside because she's back doing the inside of her house, but I am gonna show y'all immediately after she gets done. I just did a lash bath, and I have to go because It's so far away. My appointment is for 12:15 and it is 30 minutes away. So I'm about to go ahead and get on the road and be on the phone with my friend. See you guys once I get there. Bye. Alright, you guys, I am here. Y'all, I look a hot mess express. I can't wait to show y'all my after with my hair, my nails, my lashes, makeup and all that. And I vlog Zulu Bar. It's been a long week of looking oogly. So yeah, y'all, she should be out in a few minutes to come get me. Hopefully my lashes turned out really cute. She always does good, but I just hope she don't make them too long. So maybe too long, we just look like spiders. My gosh. She did them too long one time. Every other time she do it perfect. So I'll make sure the Tanner don't do them too long. So yeah. See you guys. Now, look what she did to my face. These hoes way too long. And this one is stuck to the bottom. Like, I can't even pull that off. Y'all, I'm going back tomorrow to get these fixed. These is touching my eyebrows. I specifically told her I did not want them that long. Like, and she said, these long? Y'all tell me if these long. Let me know something, because these is most definitely long. She said I could come back tomorrow if I still feel the same way, because I'm thinking, like, maybe I'm just not used to them no more. No, these they're touching my eyebrows. If I do that, these are my eyebrows. I'm going back tomorrow. She gonna have to redo this whole set, because this is ugly, bro. Look like I got caterpillars on my face, like. Yeah, these hoes coming off tomorrow. But I have to go to the ball tomorrow. Like, be so annoying. I literally told her, do not make my long. I'm so sorry to be cursing, but yeah, I'm mad. Like, I just sat there for 2 hours for this. Like, she do my eyelashes before. This is the second time she's did them this long. Before, she has never done them this long, except one other time. But yeah, I'm gonna go in this store and get my stuff. I'm gonna bring y'all tomorrow after I get my hair done, or after I do my hair, and then see what it looks like after she fixes them, because these is atrocious. They gotta go. So y'all, I'm not quite sure why my sound wasn't working, but this is the next day. She ended up just going in and cutting them because I really didn't have time for her to do a whole new set. But they ended up looking decent. I didn't really like the blunt look of it, but it just had to do. So this is how everything turned out. If you want to see more pictures, go ahead and head over to my Instagram at NotYourAngel. This was one of the most realistic maintenance vlogs I have ever done. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to keep it coming with more content every week. See you guys.